Hi, my name is Thomas Jensen. I'm the product director of the TrojanLabel product line at AstroNova, and this is our T2C. So the typical use cases for the T2C would be on-demand short runs, variable data runs, but also longer static print jobs. T2C is a small, compact, robust production printer made for private brand owners, in-house printing, but also the bigger commercial printing houses. But let's go into the details of the T2C. We have created a servo-driven tension-controlled system to ensure perfect roll-ups. To support this, we've also made a web guide that will ensure that the media in real time will move to the left or to the right depending on the shape of the roll. We also have a gap sensor. The gap sensor will enable you to print on pre-cut labels or labels with a black mark to ensure that you have perfect registration on your label. The T2C comes with the 2-liter ink tanks, which are great for high volume production because you can keep production running for a long time before you need to change the tanks. On the exit side, we have fans that will ensure that no aerosol actually lands on the media. And if you are printing pre-cut labels, we can actually slit these for you because we have built-in slitters. And if you really want to integrate this into another system, we can actually also provide you with an exit roller. So looking at the total cost of ownership of the T2C, one of the advantages is of course the low ink consumption, but also the low power consumption, which is important as well. We offer a very quick replacement of the printed, which means that you in a matter of 3 minutes will be able to change your printed and continue production. Also, the ink tanks are almost hot swappable. That means you just need to pause your print job, remove the slit, remove the tank, put on your new tank, and then you're ready to go. Another great feature of the T2C is the very short web path. That's very important because that will reduce your waste from startup and finishing jobs because there's just a few feet from start to end of the web path. The T2C is equipped with an onboard computer and a 7-inch touchscreen. The touchscreen makes it really user-friendly, and it offers you a job library, so all your jobs are in one place. It's easy to find, and it's easy just to select your job, how many prints you want, and you're ready to go. It also enables us to support you because it comes with team viewer support. It means that we can remote in for those questions that you might have or anything you need to clarification. It also helps us in terms of post-training. So you do not need to visit us, or we do not necessarily need to visit you, but we can help everything from remote. Now, speaking of support, what we also offer is free updates. That means that when we do enhancements to the UI, do other nice features for the system, which is all in the user interface, it's all free for you. And by the click of a button, you can download the latest firmware and it will automatically install at your convenience. So this has been my presentation of the T2C. To learn more about it, please visit astronovaproductid.com.